thy beardy here. Thank you for a magnificent question. So would you rather have bottled water, which is full of microplastics, the man made in a factory, over tap water, which is literally natural water? Thank you for asking the question. Really, really important. I'm going to spend some time breaking this down and answering it because it's a brilliant point. And this is how we raise awareness. You ask brilliant questions and I'm going to give you a detailed answer now. Okay, so first point is we need to just stop. Bottled water is too broad a statement. Bottled water includes Frankenstein waters, filtered tap waters. So if we just start with the bottled water comment and let's just separate that into category. The premium category that I only talk about is natural minerals spring. Anything else bottled, just sling it in the bin. Not even worth it. So let's just deal with that first point. Forget about the term bottled water. It's too broad a term. We're talking about natural minerals spring water, which is bottled. Right, that's the first point. Second point, the microplastics, nanoplastics story that came out a couple of weeks ago. There were two sources of contamination of the nano and microplastics. The first source was the reverse osmosis membrane that some companies use to filter water, and they are actually contaminating the water from the membrane of the reverse osmosis machine, which as they're filtering the water is actually contaminating the water with nanoplastics. That is insane. And again, that falls into the bracket of Frankenstein fiddled with water, which isn't natural, mineral or spring. So, next point. The picture at the top is a tap water treatment plant skimming tank. And all you've got to do is Google water treatment skimming tank and you will see what happens here. And this water in the top picture is different sources of water. River water, reservoir water, all the water goes from reservoir is flush your toilet water, surface water, and it's multi-sources of water that go to the reservoir. And from the reservoir they go to a water treatment plant. And this is the skimming tank is one of the stages of cleaning the water. So what happens is all this dirty water is thrown in these tanks and they add an additive to the water that makes all the rubbish float to the top. And then they have these mechanical skimmers that remove the physical dirt from the water. That's just one stage of the cleaning. But if you Google that and look at that, flip me, you will open your eyes and hopefully make you understand a little bit better the difference between tap water treatment and organic natural water treatment plant. There is no comparison other than processed versus organic. And it's so important that we are aware of this because the amount of misinformation in the United Kingdom and Anglo-Saxon speaking countries is nothing short of staggering. And if we're confusing the two, then it's just purely a case of awareness, because once you see it, you start understanding it. And then when you taste it, it's a different world. And that's when it becomes super exciting. Your questions, your engagement are the key to this. That is a magnificent question. Thank you very much. Honestly, I mean it. Together, we raise awareness. Thank you.